So I had a question asked from a recent subscriber that wants to know how they change their date and time on PlayStation 4. And I said, yeah, that's the simplest thing that you could possibly ask me. I would love to make a video on that and show you how to do that. And we're going to get straight to it. So if you want to change the date and time on your PlayStation 4, stay tuned and I'll see you guys here soon. Welcome back to TheTechSpace, and in this video we're going to be going over how to change the date and the time for your PlayStation 4. And we're just going to jump straight into it. So once you're on your console, once you're on your PlayStation 4, you're just going to want to press up and go to settings. So as you can see, this little treasure chest right here is the settings. Click on it, and once you're on settings, go all the way down until you see it say date and time. It should be right under video playback settings, and you're going to want to click on date and time. At the top here, you can go ahead, click on date and time settings. Here you can click set manually or set using internet. If you want to set it manually, just click on that and go ahead and change it to whatever you would like. Change your time to whatever you would like, and then you're going to want to click enter. Make sure you use enter and not back, and then you'll actually have your date and time set manually. I'm going to go ahead and set mine back using the internet just because that's the easiest way for me. If you want to again change your time manually for some reason, that's how you're going to want to do it. Again, with the date as well, you can change the date using that same setting. The next thing in here is the time zone change. You can change your time zone depending on where you are in the world. If you are a traveler and you're somebody that moves a lot, you can go in here and change the settings for your time zone. Next, we have daylight savings, which you're probably going to want to have on automatic. Next, after that, we have the date format, which just is again what format the date is in, whether it's year, month, day, or month, day, year, or day, month, year, and you can set that one. And last but not least is time format. A lot of different countries use different time formats, being 12-hour clocks or 24-hour clocks. So if you want to change that, you can go in here and change those two options here as well. So we're going to go ahead and go back. Those are the 5 settings that you can change in the date and time category. Again, you're just going to want to press up when you turn on your PlayStation. Go all the way to the settings on the side. Once you click on settings, you can go all the way down to where it says date and time. And there we go. Sorry, I went one too far. And once we're in date and time, we can actually go in and again change the date and time settings manually, change it using the internet, or we can change the time zone to whatever time zone we're in. We can set our daylight savings time to automatic or turn that off. We can change our date format, and we can change our time format. So thank you guys for watching. If you are having any issues with this, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.